Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to round a number to a certain number of a decimal places in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To round a number, what we are going to use the function is toFixed, right? Whether you want to limit it to up to characters 3, 4 and 5, you need to just pass the argument in the toFixed, right? So let's have a look how we are going to do that. So let's copy this and just go and just add into a console, and here you can see that the number is 3.14159, and I am fixing it to the two decimal places, right? If I go and just clear it now and make it 2, 3, so currently it's 3.14 and it should come with 3.141, right? Let's enter it and check. Okay, it's a redeclaration because we haven't refreshed it. Make it 3 and you can see that. So whatever limit you want to restrict to the decimal places, you need to just pass it over here, 3, 4, 5, whatever, right? Second thing, to fixed always return the string. Okay, make sure it is a string. If I go and just reload again and check the type of it, let me paste and just check the type of. Okay, and if I go and just check the type of, and you will get the string. It's a string. So whenever you are going to do the comparison, like like if it is equal to that one and if it is greater than this one, so make sure you need to convert that back into the integer, whether it should be a number or float, right? So how we are going to do that, I will explain you right now. So here we go with this one, the another function that is called the parse float. Okay, so you need to use parse float because it's a float number and number to fixed. Okay, so it will return that one. Just let me copy and paste it. Okay, so parse float, if I just check the type of it, like what it is, it's a number. Now you can do the further calculation accordingly, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.